Better Reading Rule 3. Think about what you have read. If you do what this rule says, you will not forget what you have read. You will keep the story in your mind after you have finished reading it. Think for a minute what you have read about fish in the last story. Can you remember what the story told you? If you cannot remember, read the story again. Then use Better Reading Rule number 3. Using all 3 rules. Now read the next story. Remember, think about what you're reading and think about what you want to know. When you finish the story, be sure to use Better Reading Rule number 3. Before you start the story, think of what you want to know about sunfish. Sunfish. Some kinds of sunfish are middle-sized and some are small. None of them are very big fish. There are many different kinds of sunfish. They come in different colors. One kind of sunfish is called pumpkin seed because parts of this fish are colored orange like a pumpkin. Another kind is called bluegill. There is also a sunfish that has been named red ear. Can you guess how the bluegill and red ear got their names? A sunfish may change color when he swims from warm water into cold water. He may also change color when he does not feel well or cannot find any food. When it is time for the babies to be born, the father sunfish makes a nest on the bottom of the lake. He keeps the mother and the babies safe from any big fish that would like to eat them. Did you follow Better Reading Rules 1 and 2? If you did, you're ready to use Better Reading Rule number 3. It tells you to think about the story you have just read. If you follow this rule, you will remember more of the story. If you can answer questions about the story, that will also help you remember more of what you have read. Think about the story, then answer these questions. What are 3 kinds of sunfish? Where are baby sunfish born? Who makes the nests for the babies? Who likes to eat sunfish? Were you able to answer all of the questions about sunfish? If you were, you're ready to learn another rule. But first, let's read the other rules again. Think about what you are reading. Think about what you want to know. Think about what you have read.